Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can reset password if forgotten in SBS app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, it's a very easy process. So what you need to do is simply need to go ahead and open up your SBS app or SBS website. Once you have access, you will find this kind of interface where you can go ahead and add in your email and password for you to sign in or log in. So go ahead, enter your email address right over there. Then go to password section, leave that blank and tap on forgot password. Now you can find the send reset instruction button, right? For that, you have to have an email address added right over there. Make sure you have already created your account with that email address. Add in the email address, tap on send reset instructions. You will get instructions for that matter. Go ahead, follow the instructions step by step and go ahead and enter a new password that you would like to reset to or change to. Once I have got the password, confirm it and then go ahead, go back to sign in section, add in email and add in the new password, and then how you will know that whether your password has been reset or not. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.